Krisp app not opening? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when you need it for a call right now. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, restart your computer. I mean, it sounds simple, but it fixes a lot of app launch issues. Next, check if Krisp is running in the background and force quit it. Yeah, sometimes it's stuck without opening. Now, try running Krisp as administrator. I mean, this gives it the permissions it needs to launch properly. Okay? Make sure your app is updated. Uh, Older versions can fail to open. Also, make sure your system meets the requirements. Yeah, Krisp may not open on unsupported devices or outdated systems. If you're using antivirus or firewall, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes it blocks Krisp from opening. If it's still not opening, uninstall and reinstall Krisp. I mean, this fixes corrupted files and uh, close unnecessary background apps. Yeah, too many running apps can prevent Krisp from launching. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp not opening. One of these steps should get the app running again quickly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.